Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Kucoin exchange. It's a newer exchange and it has some pretty interesting options such as the Kucoin shares, which is its own crypto that allows you to earn passive income just by holding the crypto here on the exchange. You can buy it on the exchange, of course, right here. You'll see right now it's $9.98. $10 now, and just by holding it, you basically get a little bit of passive income. What they do is they share the profits from the fees that people pay when they're trading on this exchange. A lot of that, I think 40% of the fees go to, actually 40% go to invitation bonus, and 50% of the fees actually go to the people who own the Kucoin shares, which is the crypto. So most of it goes to other people for supporting the company in those two different ways. And so it's really promising. A lot of the newer coins are hitting Kucoin first. So it's a really up-and-coming exchange, really exciting. I'm going to link to where you can get a referral link to sign up for Kucoin and Binance in the description below. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be using both Kucoin and Binance. But the Kucoin actually just made an announcement saying that they aren't doing the Kucoin invitation bonus as of like today. So my link may not work. And if it doesn't, just go to Kucoin.com. But I'm just going to put it there anyway in case it does. So let's start. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is send some Ethereum over to Kucoin. It doesn't have to be Ethereum. I'm going to use Ethereum. So here's what we're going to do. First, on Kucoin, we're going to look for a deposit address to send the Ethereum to. And there's a few different ways you can do that. One way is to hover over this dollar sign up here in the corner and then come down here to deposit. But another way is to just come over here and click on assets at the top. But this time it takes you to overview and you have to click on deposit. And that gives you this option. You know, it probably won't be Ethereum when you show up. You know, maybe you'll want something else, but here's a drop down and you choose whichever one you want. I want Ethereum, so here we go. So now you see this is a deposit address. You see I have a little bit here, and it's Ethereum. So what you do is make sure you double click it so that way it's all highlighted. Press copy, and then I'm going to come over here to Binance. And over on Binance, we're just going to go to deposits and withdrawals, which I'm already at. And then come down here to Ethereum, hit withdraw. I'm just going to paste that amount in there, and then I'm actually going to send the maximum amount, and simple as that. I'll go ahead and press submit. Now I have to give it my Google authentication code. Okay, so I put it in my authentication code, and it's telling me that I've got to check my email and click on the confirmation link in the email. I'm not gonna do that, you know, because that's simple, so that you don't need to see it. But just know that I'm doing it, and then in a few minutes, my Ethereum should show up in my Kucoin account. Alright, so now after a few minutes of waiting, my Ethereum has hit my wallet here on Kucoin, and you can just come over here and click to see. I have some Ethereum now. So there we go. So now that I have Ethereum, let's go on over to markets. What we're going to do is we have the pairing of Ethereum right now. Now we're going to pair it with the coin that we want. I want to buy key, and that's self key. It's a new one. It sold out in the ICO in 11 minutes. Looks pretty interesting. I'm just going to go ahead and buy some right now. You can watch. And they have charts and graphs and everything that you can look over. Here's where you can tell your active orders and dealt orders. You know, but I'm just going to show you the quickest way to go ahead and buy it. So again, this is the pairing that we have right here. You could always change that, but this is what we want. So key and ETH. So we're going to come down here. The best price. If you want the best price, you can just click on that, and it's going to come down here. So, I mean, it's 5 cents, so you get a lot of them for 1 ETH. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. Buy it all. I mean, this kind of just tells you, you know, this is showing you how much you're spending, you know, 0.44 ETH. So this is kind of like a slider for how much of your ETH do you want to put in. 0 ETH or all of your ETH. I'm just going to go ahead and put it all and press buy. Now I've got a buy order placed. In a minute or two, it should be it should go through and be a dealt order. And if not, what I recommend doing is just canceling it and doing it again. Maybe the price fluctuated a little bit, and maybe your best price is too good of a deal. So you just do it again in a minute, and it should. There you go. It's done. I have it. Okay, give me a thumbs up, you guys. Join Kucoin if you haven't already. Use my referral link. Hopefully it still works. But, you know, obviously you don't have to send the Ethereum from Binance. You could send it from Coinbase. You don't have to send Ethereum. You could use Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is slow and expensive to send. Litecoin could be a better option if you have Litecoin. So, yep, that pretty much sums it up. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy the new exchange. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to you watching another video of mine in the future.